Allama Iqbal was a poet, philosopher, thinker, politician, and British in India. He was born in 9 November 1877 in Sialkot. He was considered as one of the most important figures in Urdu literature, with literary works in both Persian and Urdu. He was known as the Poet of East. He had written many books like Payam-e Zabur, Payam-e Ajam, and many series of poems. He had a series of lectures in different institutions that were later published by Oxford Press. As his political career is, Iqbal had a role in political Muslim movement. He was remained active in Muslim League. He supported the Khilafat movement and remained in touch with Muslims political leaders like Muhammad Ali Johar and Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He was a critic of Indian National Congress because he thought that it was dominated by Hindus and Muslims' demands are not fulfilled. Then he left that. Building a strong correspondence with Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Iqbal convinced Jinnah to take a charge of Muslim League, because he believed that Jinnah was the only person, the only leader capable of drawing Indian Muslims to the League and maintaining party unity before the British and Congress. He also gave an address in Allahabad. He was one of the most famous address. In this presidential address on December 29, 1930, he outlined a vision of independent state for Muslims, majority provinces in the northwestern India. He said that, "I would like to see Punjab, Northwest Frontier Province, Sindh Balochistan amalgamated into a single state." And he was died in 21st of April 1938.